Hello everybody and welcome to Can You Name It, the show where you test your science smarts and have some fun competing against the very best chemistry talent in the 1 mile radius of our studios in Palo Alto. Well, let's meet our contestants, shall we? Well, actually our producers have cut us short on time, so let's see. On the left we have Charlotte Tyler, our resident Harvard graduate with a major in biotechnical organic chemistry. In the middle we have Miss Victoria White. She dropped out of high school to pursue a life of fashion, but as we can all see, well, that didn't work out very well. And finally, on the right, we have Danny Green, who loves her corn as much as her family. Well, let's get started. Each contestant today has been supplied with a complimentary periodic table of elements to guide them in the game, as well as the nomenclature web. But let me go over the rules. At the beginning, we will start out easy. We will show an ion or an element symbol on the board, and using their vast chemistry knowledge, they will decipher the symbol into the name form. The first to know what it is will buzz the buzzer and answer. After they give their answer, they will be asked how they reached their answer. If the contestant does not get the reason correct, the question goes to the next person. We will begin with ions. 3, 2, 1, name it.
Bromide.
Charlotte got it. Congratulations. How did you figure this out?
Well, you showed Br, which is the element bromine on the periodic table. However, bromine is an anion, so we have to drop the ending of the name and then add an "ide" onto the end.
Fabulous.
Calcium! Now, calcium is a cation, meaning that it is positively charged. Therefore, to name it, you just state the name of the element.
Last ion. 3, 2, 1, name it.
Sulfide.
Fabulous. Explain how you figured out the answer.
I listened to how Charlotte did it.
Are there any elements that can form 2 or more cations with different charges?
Yes!
Give 2 examples.
Copper and iron.
And how many cations can copper and iron form?
2.
Very well, contestant 1. Now for a bonus point, give another name for copper 2 chloride.
Cuprous chloride.
Amazing. Now to name binary compounds. Contestants, are you ready?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Sure, y'all.
Okay, now this question is for 2 points. Let's see if the contestants can get it.
Aluminum oxide.
That is correct. How did you get that answer?
Well, this has both a metal and a non-metal in it, so it is an ionic bond. To name most binary compounds, you just say the name of the cation, and then the anion adding "ide."
Very good. It looks like contestants 1 and 2 are tied up. Contestant 3, step up your game. Now let's get to it. Name it.
Perchlorate.
Way to name that outstanding oxyanion. Ha 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 ha. Now, how did you get it?
Well, I know that chlorate is ClO3. This has 1 more oxygen than chlorate. So I added the prefix of, hence perchlorate.
3, 2, 1, name it.
Hypochlorite.
That is correct. How did you get that answer?
In this case, ClO has 1 less oxygen than chlorite. Therefore, we add the prefix hypo onto chlorite, and this ends up being hypochlorite.
Excellent. Now here's a longer compound. Let's see if any of you can name it.
Sodium carbonate.
Charlotte got it. Congratulations. How did you figure this out?
Well, this is an ionic bond. CO3 is carbonate and negatively charged. Therefore, sodium has to be positively charged and is sodium carbonate.
Well done. Now on to a special challenge. This is a binary acid with a very unusual name. Are you ready?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Sure, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Name it.